Miraki is our child. Miraki is our baby.
Who is more difficult to work with?
I think maybe Ankit.
Quitting wasn't really ever an option. It was always going to be like, we have to make this work.
What do you think about Gen Zs?
Period leave was honestly never a big deal for us. So we never thought of it that, oh my god, it's such a big deal and let's talk about it or let's publicize it. हमने तो ये सब किया ही नहीं. मतलब हम एक marketing agency and I think we do a worse job of marketing ourselves.
One advice that I'd like to give anyone who would like to join an agency is come with a lot of patience.
हमारे
That's
कैमरामैन ने इधर लिटरली पेशेंस टैटू करा के रखा है.
Gen Z is not ready for the corporate world and corporate world is not ready for Gen Z.
I think I learned a lot of taping terms with Gen Z. I think somebody was teaching me what benching is and what bread crumbing is.
Hi guys, I'm Khushi
And I'm Chetna.
and we have our founders with us. So we are gonna hit 10 years of Miraki. So we thought,
Let's just do a coffee with Miraki.
hello.
Hi.
So I'll start. So the first question is, how does it feel to get interviewed by your youngest employees?
I'm scared of what's about to come.
It's okay. We are gonna make noisy. It's nice for the 5 minutes. Yeah.
Let's see.
I think I'm more worried about your performance than us. Okay, so the first question is, who is more difficult to work with?
I think amongst the two of us, I think maybe Ankit, simply because he is a little particular about things are presented, the formats, the documentation. So
Yeah,
that
I agree.
way, I think it can be a little difficult for people.
I think it depends on the day. It
Actually,
depends on the
that is
day.
true.
Actually,
That
It
is
depends
true.
on the day on who's in which zone. I think both of us are difficult at certain levels, and both of us have our own pet peeves. So it actually depends. But yeah, I mean formats and all, yes. But otherwise, I think we're quite easy to work with.
no.
It was a very safe answer. I don't agree. Choose तो करना पड़ेगा.
बोलो चलो.
नहीं.
दोनों एक दूसरे को choose कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Who would survive better without the other?
Interesting. No, I don't think it's one person. We cannot give a one person answer here. I think we both are quite dependent on each other. We both have our strengths that we handle. So if one person is not there, it will be very difficult.
Yeah, I think it's about complementing each other in terms of what we do. Better off without each other is not really an option. It kind of depends. So I think yes. I mean, short answer is Miraki is us and the team is us and Miraki. So
I
it's a
think
mixed bag.
we will not be able to survive without the team.
Yeah, so that's it.
हमारे
So-
बिना तो चल जाएगा.
अभी इमोशनल बातें नहीं करते. इमोशनल बातें लास्ट के लिए रखते हैं.
हाँ ठीक है.
चलेगा.
बोलो.
Next question.
What's one thing about each other that secretly annoys you guys?
बोलो स्नेहा, you go first.
Annoy ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. आई थिंक अब 10 साल हो गए हैं यार. मतलब पहले फर्स्ट ईयर में पूछते तो फिर भी हम बहुत झगड़ते थे एंड वी यूज्ड टू हैव आवर फेयर शेयर ऑफ फाइट्स.
किसके लिए झगड़ते थे?
Disagreements, right? There are two people coming together. It's not like we know each other very well. We are both very opinionated and coming together, having our own opinions on how to handle a business, how to handle clients, how to handle growth. But we made our way, we spoke to each other. So I think now we know each other quite a bit. जिसमें I don't think ऐसे annoying habit है because we understand where the other person is coming from. We know the background. Yeah, if somebody is reacting in a certain manner, then why is it happening? So I think we give each other that space and then we move on to the conversation. We forget about it.
Yeah, so basically I think we've tuned into each other in some way where we understand कि सामने वाला क्या सोच रहा है या क्या बोल रहा है. तो by default over 10 years what has happened is that we know that ये करेगा, ये करेगा, ये या सीधा करेगी या मैं करूँगा, जो भी है. It's kind of फाइन ट्यून दैट वे वी नो ईच अदर कि ये हो जाएगा ऐसे करके वील फिगर इट आउट. जैसे annoying, yeah, what Sunita said, I think it's more about the first few years where we are still trying to find our feet, trying to set systems in place. That's when there were things and disagreements, but I don't think as such कुछ annoying है. मेरे बारे में हो सकता है, but
नहीं यार, we don't, आधे टाइम तो हम टीम से ही बात करते रहते हैं.
हाँ,
खुद तो हम कैच अप कितना देर ही करते हैं. So I don't think we get that time.
I think ये हमें अपने एम्प्लॉय से पूछना चाहिए.
हाँ, you should
Yeah, I
answer
think we'll get a
all these
really
questions that you're asking.
spicy
No,
answers.
first
from
one
the
you
team.
should ask everyone in the team. Do a vox pop.
We'll
You'll
get
get better
super
answers.
spicy.
Okay, so everyone was asking us this question that you both have studied abroad. Then what made you come back to India and to Kolkata to start a business here? And how did you guys meet? And where did you meet?
That's actually a very interesting story. So we both went to the same university, which was University of Leeds, and we were at a orientation in Calcutta. Before we went, this was back in 2011.
Okay.
That's where we first met, and Ankit was going for his masters and I was going for my undergrad, and I was this young little girl, the only one out of in the entire room going for my undergrad, and the room was full of master's students. So I think everybody kind of was like, caring towards me, and the parents met. So that's how we met, and it was like a comfort for my parents कि हाँ कोई है कलकत्ता से वहाँ पे मेरी बेटी का ध्यान रख सकता है and all that. So that's how we met in university. We were not really friends or anything, but we knew each other, and he was my senior, and we just kind of kept in touch, right? So we were from the same city, and then we were in the same university, and then Ankit went to London. He was working over there, and I was doing my masters, so he helped a lot. He helped me a lot to settle in London, understand the areas. Sent him my resumes also at that time, to check how he can help me get a job. So I think I've always kind of had him as a figure who's present, a senior who I can turn to. That's how we met.
And why did we come back to Kolkata?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'll take that up. So basically, coming back to Kolkata wasn't really a planned decision. It happened more naturally due to personal circumstances, health, and otherwise. But Meraki was never planned. It was more of let's see where things go, and we just took it by stride. Meraki really was. I mean, to be very honest, I started Meraki whilst I had a job. So it was like like moonlighting of sorts, and it was like a side hustle that began with that. I had downtime. I was in Calcutta. I was on a longer leave than usual, so started something on the side, and it kind of snowballed into what it is today. And it took some time, I think, but yeah, that's why we are here. I think consciously when we knew that Meraki, is Kolkata the best place to actually be? I think part of that decision was family. Part of the decision was also that other cities are more evolved in terms of agency culture, like a Bombay or a Bangalore or a Delhi.
Yes.
But Calcutta has its own fair share of agencies. In fact, most bigger agencies started off from Calcutta, and of course, gradually the base shifted
Agreed.
to Bombay and
Yes.
to other cities. But a lot of the old bigger agencies still have their servicing offices in Kolkata. They might have the bigger teams there, and a lot of bigger clients also have their HOs in Kolkata. So Kolkata was like a default fit, and of course with family and with that kind of time period that was there where everything was a little hazy. So Kolkata was the right fit. It was like, "ठीक है, अपने comfort zone में हम काम करेंगे," and that's about it. And then kind of things started evolving. And that's how we both met, and she was also back and I was here, and we both met. We started working on from cafes, and I think aage ka questions you can put for more questions.
Okay, so have you ever thought of just quitting and shutting down Meraki and be like, I cannot I cannot work with this person anymore? ऐसा
एकदम
कभी कुछ
starting
हुआ है?
में.
You
know.
can't have that. When something is your baby, you can't have that feeling, right? Like Meraki is our child. Meraki is our baby. and you can never think like that about your baby, right? Of course, there are frustrating days, there are frustrating moments, there are lows, but then in the last 10 years, there have been equal number of highs, right? And when you have that one high,
High,
I think
then
it
you-
disregards
exactly.
all the
You
lows and
always
it
want
makes
to
it
pursue
all
something
worth
bigger.
it. So we've, at least I have never had this, and I'm sure Ankit has never had this feeling that
So you guys
We
were
will
very
just
sure.
quit.
I mean, starting से या फिर
sure to, as he said, right, Miraki was never planned.
Planned,
Like when
yeah.
I was doing my masters, that's when I realized that yes, I want to open an agency. I was very sure that I want to come back to India and do a business. But during
I
my
was not sure.
masters, I was sure कि ठीक है, I'll open an
I was not.
agency. But
Yeah.
first I thought I'll get some experience because I had not worked. But when I came back and Ankit had just started and he had messaged me that, I'm opening Miraki and check this website out and all. So I just told him, a few years down the line, I'm going to come to you and take suggestions from you. And he was very gracious and he was like, why don't you join me now? And then we met, we spoke about it. So it has always been our child since day one, and you cannot have that feeling that we just want to quit. We've never had that feeling.
Just to add to what Sneha is saying, I think quitting wasn't really ever an option. It was always going to be like, we have to make this work. By hook or by crook, we have to figure out how to make this work and how can we take it ahead. And with this kind of a business, where you're dependent on, of course, team members and yourselves being there. It's not a product or a manufacturing business. You're dependent on people and you're dependent on the clients you have. So you need to actually take every day as it comes. You never know what's going to happen tomorrow or day after. You can plan, but planning never really sticks. So we always plan for the future. Apparently Miraki is well planned, and people outside think that Miraki is very systematic and planned and everything. On the inside, it's probably the opposite. I think that every day, you can improve.
I don't agree. Miraki is like so well managed and planned.
Yeah, so that's what people say when they come from other agencies.
Surprising. Yesterday we had a client meeting who had left by then, and the client POC has worked with bigger agencies and big names in the
Okay.
industry, right? And he actually gave us a compliment that you guys are doing so well. I have worked with so many agencies, and I think when these things we hear, right, हमें लगता है कि हाँ हमने कुछ अचीव किया है. ऐसे तुम हम दोनों से बात करोगे ना, we will still tell each other that
हम लोग
we have
अभी
not
नहीं बोलते
achieved
कि
anything. We
कुछ नहीं
still
किया है,
feel we
मतलब
are
बहुत
so
कुछ करना है.
behind.
Of course, we compare ourselves to other peers. So
Yeah,
so,
like there's always scope of growth, and we still feel that there's so much more to
Agree.
achieve. But when we hear from people, we've had clients who've been with us for 9 years plus, right?
and even
I
team
think-
members
team
have
members
gone
have,
out
yeah.
to other agencies.
and come back.
They also come back. And some of them we are in touch with. They also mention that Miraki was quite organized, so to say. At least that's what people think,
So
and
we
good
feel
that
nice.
people think that.
So इंडिया में जैसा मिराकी का वर्क कल्चर है ऐसा मोस्टली एजेंसीज में नहीं होता. हाउ डिड यू गेट दिस कल्चर? लाइक वेयर डिड यू गेट द आइडिया फ्रॉम? And period leaves and giving so many leaves, like not so many.
I think in our mind, right, both of us were abroad. Ankit
Yes.
has actually worked in an agency and seen that culture firsthand. And then we never had this thing in mind that we want to get a boring, strict culture. We wanted it to be a place where people want to come and they aren't just coming for the sake of it, right? It has to be a place where people feel safe. They want to get up and come to work every day. And that's what we tried to maintain. Period leave was honestly never a big deal for us. In our mind, it had to be there. So it was always implemented since day one. Like if you ask our team members who joined us in the first year of Miraki, they have been having this perk since the first year itself. So we never thought of it that, oh my God, it's such a big deal and let's talk about it or let's publicize it. हमने तो ये सब किया ही नहीं. मतलब हम एक marketing agency and I think we do a worse job of marketing ourselves. So all this is very normal for us. Also, when people are open to us about their leaves, right? You guys come to us and you all are very open कि ठीक है घर पे ये है या mom के ये हुआ है. अब आप जिसके लिए काम कर रहे हो, you're working for family, for a life, and these things are bound to happen. So we don't want this to be a jail. Like, this is not a jail, this is not a school. So that much I think every person should have that freedom. Yes, the only thing we focus on is that you should be responsible. You have to take ownership for your work. That's when we get annoyed if leaves are taken for granted. But otherwise, we are very much okay with it.
So, adding on to what Sneha said, I think culture is not just about the leaves.
Yes.
Period leaves to day one se tha hi, and even other leaves also. Till date, in very very rare cases, have we disapproved anyone's leaves. और leaves है आप apply करो वो mostly approve हो जाता है until unless there's a clash or something. But these are all part and parcel of business. Coming to the culture aspect, I think what Sneha said, we have seen that international working in agencies. I have worked in an agency for almost 6-7 years. So what happens is that that was one of the differentiators probably also that people want to work here is because we have that kind of work culture here. Ownership bhi hai, logo ke paas ownership hai at certain levels, and leaves and all of these things. We introduced a lot of things that were not there in agencies. So what has happened is that gradually that has helped us in some way where there are a lot of people who have been here for years, and a lot of people who have gone and come back also. So it's a mixed bag of things. So culture actually isn't just us or what we thought of it. There are a lot of things that people by default has started happening in the agency. Of course, we want to introduce new and more things, but culture is built by the people. It's just like we can tell them कि ये कर सकते हैं, वो कर सकते हैं, ये कर सकते हैं. But बाकी it's on people how they want to do it. जैसे हमारे एजेंसी में बर्थडे के लिए केक
Exactly.
काटना था, बट वो हमारे टीम लीड्स ने कभी जीवन में अप्लाई नहीं किया.
So I think
Poor है.
another, I don't think ऐसा culture इंडिया में कहीं पे भी नहीं था. From what we had heard, Bombay
Yeah.
agencies, Delhi
Hey.
agencies were quite forward, but nothing like that existed in Calcutta.
Yeah,
True.
So
for sure.
we really, I think, tapped a major gap in the market. When we started, there weren't a lot of agencies our
Exactly,
size. Yes,
yeah.
there were the big ones, but there weren't a lot of agencies providing full service digital marketing in under one roof and having this kind of a culture. So I think it gave us that opportunity to bring this to our city. हमारे family members भी ना शौक में थे कि तुम लोग ऑफिस में कर क्या रहे हो, मतलब ज्यादा ही leniency नहीं है. But we stuck to what we wanted to give. So yeah.
I have a question from a long time. So, like, what would you say about the growth of digital marketing agencies? Because before I joined here, there were many people who were like, कि नहीं digital marketing में growth नहीं है या उतना पैसा नहीं है. Because I did engineering, so they were like कि नहीं तुम coding में ही जाओ, उसमें ज़्यादा पैसा है ये वो whatever. Yet so many people are opening agencies now. So ये क्या contrast है कि पहले वो लोग बोल रहे growth नहीं है, but फिर इतने सारी agencies खुल रहे हैं. Why?
Before we answer that, why don't you tell us why did you shift from engineering to social media marketing?
Exactly.
What made you?
Okay,
do
because
that
I
shift?
feel like कि अगर मैं marketing सीख ली तो वो overall growth करेगा. Like कल को अगर मैं अपना brand भी खोली तो बहुत help करेगा marketing and all में. But if I only learn coding and all तो मैं बस वो coding में ही रह जाऊंगी. फिर वो strategy, execution and then creative thinking वो सब नहीं आएगा. And to be honest, marketing is more fun.
Then coding.
Yeah.
Agreed. Do you actually
I
like coding?
just have a little not different but एक और opinion है इसमें. When we started off, there were lesser number of agencies. When we are here post 10 years, there are a lot more agencies.
Exactly.
There are
बहुत
2
सारी
people
agencies खुल गई
agencies, 5
आजकल.
people agencies, 10 people agencies, 15 people agencies, or whatever. There are multiple agencies, and every one is opening an agency, and that's in a good it's actually good. To be very honest, the more agencies are there in the market, the more work will get produced. Some will be really good, some will be okay. And I think what happens is that वो एक ecosystem बन रहा है. There is a demand for things, and the way platforms are evolving and everything is evolving. What happens is that people are trying to cater to it, and I think last 10 years mein there is this whole startup wave also going on and startup culture and everything else. So everyone wants to jump into that bandwagon of opening their own thing and doing their own thing. To what you're saying, you know, a lot of people don't want to work in an office setup. They want their own hours and everything. So it kind of complements that. And like you said, marketing gives you marketing bolo ya advertising bolo. It kind of gives you an all-round understanding of a business. You know, because very honestly, we have probably worked in so many categories. मतलब healthcare हो गया, FMCG हो गया,
Yeah.
B2B businesses, and some of the businesses are so you know, not like you would have never thought कि ये भी एक business है. तो लोग वैसे भी businesses को हमने help किया.
Like
And
what? Example.
we've worked for a microprocessing company.
Microprocessing
we-
company.
हाँ.
products which cater to women's sexual wellness.
Yeah,
Oh my
like-
I mean, we never thought we would
We
create
would,
content
exactly.
on that.
and I think at one point in time, you know, all these words like sex and sexual wellness, health, condoms and all were like just thrown around in the office.
Yeah, like
And
crazy.
you know, you would think कि चलो कोई अगर एक corporate office में कोई बोल देना ये सब तो पता नहीं वो हो जाएगा, like पूरा लड़ाई हो जाएगा, and everyone will probably stare at that other person. And when we were working on that particular client, we're not naming any clients, but all these words were normal. You would probably shout
Yeah.
across the floor because हमारा agency भी एक ही floor पे था पहले, but actually 2 floor पे था, and all of us used to sit on
We
the top
had a
floor.
open setup.
हाँ,
We
we used
were
to sit
just
there and,
discussing in the amount of knowledge you gain, right? And
from different industries.
But-
It's crazy.
to be very straightforward with your question, I don't think digital marketing is becoming small. It's a fairly new industry, right? It's evolving. Of course, it's evolving every single day, every single year. There's a lot to be you know, keeping up with.
Yeah.
And so we are doing that, and that is not everybody's cup of tea, right? I think the major misconception that people have is digital marketing is social media
Yeah.
marketing.
Yeah.
It is not just social media marketing. It goes way beyond that. And till date, if I tell somebody that, oh, I have a digital agency, oh, मतलब आप social media में
मतलब-
post कर देते
हाँ,
हो.
और reels बनाते हो.
मतलब
आजकल ये हो गया, reels बनाते हो. And
that
then
is not
but
what
it's not
it is,
that,
right? And
no.
not everybody understands that. And it's very easy to say कि हाँ हम ये YouTube tutorial सीख के कर लेंगे, but वो tutorial आपको एक surface level सिखाते हैं. In depth
ऊपर का,
जाना, वो
exactly.
cater करना, getting actual results is a whole ball game.
And doing it consistently. मतलब
Yeah.
एक चीज होता है ना, आप
Consistency.
कर रहे हो, ठीक है, एक client, 2 client, and we've been doing it for 10 years now, and we've done it across multiple categories, across different sizes of clients, and we've had team members come in and go. It's just been like a जो typical roller coaster से ज़्यादा ही है agency life, and because you know you so many kind of clients and so many kind of thought processes, senior clients, junior clients, founders. We've worked with so many that our thought process has also evolved, and we actually know things about businesses that, like, अगर हम आज एक क्लाइंट पे काम कर रहे हैं, हमने कुछ उधर से सीखा है, दूसरे क्लाइंट, तीसरे क्लाइंट से, एंड सिमिलर इंडस्ट्री है या दूसरा इंडस्ट्री है, then that parallelly we can apply over here. And that's what is the beauty of marketing, that, like Chetna said, that it kind of helps you mold yourself overall, whether it's understanding the business, the design, the branding, how to do sales, how to do marketing, how to work with people. So it's that mixed bag.
And this industry will not go away. It
Exactly.
might evolve, but आप
Brands
would
भी
need
business कर लो,
marketing.
you
Yeah.
ultimately have to talk about yourself. So
Exactly.
you cannot develop a business without thinking about marketing. And that is one change that we are seeing, that people have started giving importance to marketing. So we are really
Even
happy
the small
about that.
places, cafes, or even
Yeah,
a very small जगह जो उनका है, maybe
yeah.
a chaat wala is also doing marketing.
Yeah.
They are
Exactly.
doing better marketing.
Exactly. So, what was that one mistake that actually shaped the business the way it is right now?
Mistake that shaped
Yeah,
the business.
mistake.
Do you have an answer to that?
I don't
गलती
think
गलती
कुछ
में सही हो गया।
mistake था, मतलब mistakes तो बहुत किए हमने, वो mistakes किसी के पास पहुंचे नहीं है, हम mistakes करते रहते हैं.
Mistakes तो रोज होते हैं,
हाँ.
right? You're learning, but हाँ मतलब what shaped the business is that we learn from our mistakes and we are just not कि वो हमसे हो गया तो मतलब क्या हुआ we
हाँ,
actually
you have to-
understand कि हाँ क्यों हुआ कैसे हुआ how can we prevent that mistake we put systems and processes in place when we make a mistake so that has shaped the business in terms of what it is today.
You cannot repeat what has happened because you know at the
Yeah.
end of the day what happens is we are an agency, we have team members, they are here for a certain time, they're somewhere else, they come back. So what everyone focuses on in the business world is right now systems, processes, ABC things. तो वो हमारे लिए day one से important है. I am personally very very for any kind of process that I want to build, and we kind of try and get everyone on board with it. It's very difficult actually to set things into place. We've experienced it.
Especially with a decent
Yeah.
team size.
With a decent, the larger your team is, the more difficult it is. You know, there's always resistance to change. Change is never easy to bring about. कोई नया टूल है, टेम्पलेट है, कोई नया प्रोसेस है, नया ऑफिस ही है, उसमें भी प्रॉब्लम है. So you know, there are a lot of different things, and when I say problem, I don't mean like problem. It's just that एक चीज करते हैं एक तरीके से, उसको बोल्ड करके दूसरे तरीके से करना is a big challenge in its own.
आई थिंक
So-
पहले हम ना थोड़ा ज्यादा सोचते नहीं थे हमें लगता था
We just
बिजनेस के लिए
do it,
इम्पोर्टेंट
yeah.
है तो हम इन्वेस्टमेंट भी कर देते थे एंड यू नो वी यूज्ड टू लाइक not take money only like you know we like just putting everything back into business making sure that our team has all the facilities काम effect नहीं होना चाहिए but with time we realized that that is not a very sustainable model and we have to be very smart with where we are spending so I think that has also helped us to become touchwood profitable and helped us to survive
Touch wood. So, who was our first client and how did you actually convince them?
We're not going to name any clients.
Okay, you don't have to name.
But that's a very good story. I would not say first client, but let's put it like first major client. I would say ki hai, and the story is very simple. We were working out from a cafe,
Okay.
and we had a pitch. We were working out from a cafe. Both of us were just trying to fine tune whatever we were presenting.
Mhm.
And this was maybe in the afternoon. We had a meeting in the evening. Both of us went, we presented. There was a team of maybe 10-12 people from the client side, and it was just two of us. We presented what we were going to present. It was for a smaller project, so to
Okay.
say. It was like for
Yeah.
managing the social media account of some client. But the head of marketing who's there, they sprang upon us that ये एक और नया project है. Are you guys interested in doing it? So we of course said yes, we are interested in doing it. So they said, but there's one catch that you have to come back with an answer tomorrow morning. And this
not
was
even an answer like
like
you
you have to come up
with
with
your
strategy or the
proposal
plan and
The-
proposal.
by
everything.
everything by
morning
tomorrow.
because
By
they
tomorrow
already
morning.
had an agency finalized
Okay.
So, and this was supposed to be presented our proposal. This was at around 6 or 7 in the evening, and we took the brief. We went back, so we literally had
The night.
Two hours.
the night
Yeah.
to actually do it, and both of us worked for a bit, you know, till we could, and then we went back to our homes. We were on call and we were working, and I think by around 6 a.m., 7 a.m., we probably sent whatever we had put together to the client and slept off. And I think at that time there was no proper structure. Both of us were just working from wherever we
we
wanted.
had no
बस
office
पहले आप दोनों ही थे like there was
हाँ.
just two people team.
two people.
So and then
and one intern I think one design
वो
intern
भी बाद में आई थी, but so and then what happened that 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock, I think we got a message or a call, I don't remember, that you guys are on board, let's start working.
Wow.
I was like आपने देखा भी है हमने क्या बनाया है, क्या present किया है, is there no questions around it, nothing, like no, we just wanted to see whether you can turn it around or not in that
Oh.
period of time.
Oh,
And that's what was important for them, that are the people committed to what we want to do, turning it around. And if you see, agency life is about shorter deadlines, you know. Most requirements come in end moment. Most requirements don't have it's not a construction कि
एक
हम
घंटे में ये कर
5
दो.
साल प्लान करके एक गीत लगा के बनाएंगे, वो नहीं होता. And especially with digital, मतलब वो आज हुआ और
हाँ.
2 घंटे में लाइव जाना है.
you guys know you've been
Yeah.
given
So-
you briefs
So that's how we landed our first big client, which started to help us shape it up as probably an agency.
Yeah, of course. Once we had that client, we were really actively.
Oh, we still have that
pitching.
client.
We still have
Oh,
that client.
oh my
and
God.
We handle
Yeah.
a lot of projects for them. It started with one, and of course, we were out there pitching to everybody, approaching different industries, and even the market that time, there weren't a lot of agencies, as we mentioned before. So I think people were happy to
The
see
competition was
there is
very
someone
less.
like this in Calcutta who can
Yeah.
turn it around, who can do decent work. So they were happy to give us a chance, and we put our heart and soul into it. I think
That's what
You-
Meraki means.
that's what Miraki means, yeah. And if you guys have seen us working, and till date you will see that even after 10 years, we are still involved personally with our clients, to whatever capacity we can, be it a big client or a small client. But when it is needed, we are always personally involved. So
That's true.
Okay.
I think we maintain that.
Worst client
Yeah.
ever, and what did you guys learn from it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have a story for this. Again, I will not name the client. It was a Calcutta based client. They were a catering company.
Okay.
And we had gone to meet them and we closed the proposal. When I went to meet them also, I wasn't very happy with the way he was talking. But this time we were like, "Okay, it's decent money and let's just go for it, and we'll do social media. I don't have to interact with the client on a daily basis or anything." And we had a team by then, like 3-4 people ka team we had. So I gave it to one of my client servicing team members, ki, why don't you handle that client? And 2 days later, she called me up saying that, Sneja, this client just shouted at me and he used some slangs and not good words, right? We were small, right? Yet we took the call. We just stopped working with that client then and there, and we're not afraid of this. But if you disrespect us or use slangs or bad words,
That's not what
that's
we
not
want.
something
Yeah.
that
Exactly.
we're going to take. So
I think
we've been very adamant about
Yeah.
this.
I think what happens is that any agency client relationship or any business relationship works on mutual respect. एंड अगर आप वो एक दूसरे को नहीं दे सकते हो तो सामने वाला भी आपके लिए काम नहीं करना चाहेगा एंड आइदर इट्स
And
लाइक
काम
आइदर
होगा
और
नहीं.
so whilst we understand that we are service providers and there is a certain level of decorum and everything we need to maintain, but at the same time we also expect the people we are working with, even the team members, the clients, the client POCs, the main clients, there needs to be that kind of camaraderie and understanding between the teams, because then only we'll be able to produce good work. And this is actually very, very true that some of the good work that has come out from the agency has been for clients who have been extremely supportive, have been very open about their feedback, clean about their feedback, and given us direction that ये ऐसे करने से better रहेगा, rather than micromanaging. And
Yeah.
micromanaging at certain levels is also fine, because हम भी बहुत चीज कभी micromanage करते हैं. But giving the agency to the space to creatively do things is what matters. What happens is that once we work with multiple businesses, we know how marketing works. We might not know how your business functions or what are the other modalities of your business, but उसमें अगर हम एक marketing का lens लगा दें and then we think about it, so we are always open for suggestions from clients कि how this is how my business works or my industry works. But marketing के लिए we are the experts. I think what happens is we are able to put that forward. And a lot of times what happens is we put forward things and पहले बार जो हम बोलते हैं वो फिर रिजेक्ट हो जाता है या डिसअप्रूव हो जाता है, जो भी होता है, and maybe after 4-5 rounds of iterations we come back to the first one. So it happens and it's a very normal thing for us. अब actually 10 साल में ना वो बहुत used to हो गए हैं इससे. नए जो हमारे टीम वाले आते हैं ना, सब थोड़े अपसेट हो जाते हैं कि अरे मेरा काम रिजेक्ट हो गया then I try and
That's literally us.
and then we try and explain, the client of course has their own thinking, every client has their own thinking, personal thinking, business thinking, and we have our own thinking. We have to meet somewhere in the middle.
Yeah.
And if you're extremely passionate or strong about our idea and हमको लगता है कि चलो हम जो बोल रहे हैं वो चलेगा, then push for it. But as an agency, all you can do is push. Final say is always with the client. You cannot supersede
opinion
or
रहेगा.
overdo
At the
it.
देखो, disagreements happens with clients, but it can be in a good way. It
Yeah,
doesn't
healthier.
have to get inappropriate.
Yes.
And see, we think from one perspective, right? Client is running a business.
Hmm.
When they are running a business, they show us more perspectives. And when you sometimes take feedback and actually think
Work.
about it and work on it,
Yeah.
you will see results are a lot better. So it's a two-way thing, but yeah, the one thing that we don't take at all
Is
worst
disrespect.
client is
Yeah.
bad behavior.
Bad
Yeah.
behavior and disrespect is not something that we have stood for as an agency and for our team members. We've always taken a stand, and I think we will keep doing that. Something that we don't really condone in any working relationship.
So in 10 years, which was the best campaign that is really close to your heart you worked for, and what is one of the worst campaign that failed and it broke your heart?
I think in terms of a campaign that has been close to us, or at least for me, would be a festival campaign that we had done for one of our clients.
Festival.
It
Okay.
was during Holi,
Oh.
and we took up a social cause in the script.
Oh, I think I know
think
it.
I know.
Exactly, I think I know this.
We took up a social cause
Yeah.
and we spoke about it, and it was such a campaign that we pushed for it. Like initially वो reject होने वाला था, and
Oh,
we
no.
actually pushed for it कि नहीं आप हमें करने दो, and very grateful to the client because they let us go ahead with it. They trusted our instinct, and I think it was one of the best performing campaigns that we have had. It picked up organically along with the amplification that we did because the message was so strong.
Exactly.
won us
The
many
message was
awards.
actually very
It won us many
emotional.
awards, yes. And in terms of the worst one, I wouldn't say कि वो worst था, right? Like, I think the campaign had a lot of potential. Again, it was a festival, but this time it was Durga Puja.
Durga Puja.
And we did multiple seasons of that campaign. So the season 1, when we
I
launched,
think I know about this too.
it did very well. It was in a local language, and we showed real artisans
Okay.
behind the Durga Puja,
Exactly.
right? हम पंडाल्स के बारे में बात करते हैं, idols के बारे में बहुत बात करते हैं, but we never speak about people who make Durga Puja what it is. And we have lived in Calcutta. I personally love Durga Puja, even though I'm not a Bengali. I do pandal hopping. So I was like, there's so
Pandal
many
hopping
people
is the
behind it, right? So we spoke about them, and because they were real stories, it resonated a lot with people. So हम very excited हो गए. We were like, चलो अब इसको बड़ा
So what
बनाते
did
हैं.
we actually talk about in this campaign? Like what people were we showing?
We were showing the idol makers,
Okay.
that whole wala, right?
That's like
Dhaki wala, and the people. There's so much lighting. तो कौन लगाते हैं ये lights? Is somebody who's
the
putting
people who
up,
make
right?
Durga
आप-
Puja
You
special.
wake up and overnight the city is just lighted up.
Exactly.
Who is doing that? There are people behind it. So we spoke about these people. They did brilliant. They were so real in the movie that it brought out a lot of emotions. तो हम बड़े excited हो गए. We were like, चलो इसको बड़ा बनाते हैं. We pick up more artisans from all over the country, and we showed a lot of different artisans. That's where maybe the way it was executed or something didn't do as well as we expected. So that was a bit of a disappointment. But ऐसे कोई worst campaign नहीं हुआ है.
But this was also a very nice idea.
Yeah.
idea तो हमें अपना अच्छा लगता है.
But I mean, एक campaign के पीछे I think बहुत लोगों का हाथ होता है.
Exactly.
You know,
Of
and
course,
when
there's
it
a whole
fails,
team.
so obviously it's थोड़ा difficult to deal. So as an
थोड़ा
agency
दर्द होता
owner,
है.
how do you guys deal with it? Be it like account managers काम करते हैं, copywriters काम करते हैं उसके पीछे. So
See, you can't get too attached to anything. You
Okay.
have to be practical. You're running a business. आपका work doesn't stop. You have to continue working. You still have deliverables to give. If you get too attached to something, you won't be able to move on. You learn from it.
And
we
I
did
feel
it.
like
Not everything is a
कि with
success.
day-to-day work, people actually forgot what happened. कि
So-
हो गया. Let it go.
Yeah.
But don't talk about it so much. Like you can't sit and cry over it. ना ठीक है हो गया. What did we learn about from it? And let's implement it the
Yeah.
next time.
So I'll add a few things here. I think best and worst is important to judge ourselves, but क्या हुआ है ना that over the last 10 years, we have gone through a journey where we have had multiple types and sizes of clients, and we have done multiple types of work. I would not call it campaign, but different kinds of things. So when we started off, even making a small video was a campaign for us, right? So for example, we have worked with one of the city's finest breweries, and we shot a 5-year video for them, and we shot that
nice.
video across 2 days. We got in an actor. We were so passionate about it. We flew in some lengths from Bombay to shoot. We partnered with someone, and we spent whole 2 days shooting. But and this was for one client. फिर किसी और client के लिए for a very national QSR chain, we have also worked on a campaign that was not for Calcutta but for Delhi, and we worked on that campaign for 6-7 months. And uh,
That's
6
huge.
months is long for a campaign. It was
Exactly.
more of a tactical campaign, so to say. And there are 2 campaigns that Sneha mentioned. So what has happened is कि in all these cases, the clients have given us liberty कि आप करो and give us something good. And that is
Exactly.
what has helped us to actually do these things. And worse कुछ भी नहीं होता है. I think as an agency, we will always be proud of what we are putting out, and we want to put our name to it, and that's what is what. And चाहे वो खराब भी बनेगा ना, हम बोलेंगे अच्छा बना, हमने अच्छा बनाया है, हम क्लाइंट को बेचेंगे भी उसी तरीके से, एंड हम खुद भी उसी तरीके से करेंगे. बट ऑफ कोर्स post campaign or post it goes live, post it is out in the open, you have feedback from different your peers, from different clients, you have this, that,
From the
and
people.
yeah.
You see.
And what is actually good and what is actually interesting is that when you actually put out this work and when you are actually meeting other clients, or there are other team members who are wanting to join Meraki or are leaving, and when they talk about these campaigns or they mention अरे हाँ ये हमने देखा है, वो ये
They're
आपने
very
किया था
special.
इसके लिए. So these kind of things really help us to understand कि क्या हुआ है. And because हमारे इंडस्ट्री वाले of course closely associated होंगे, they will be tracking brands and things like that. And the industries, like suppose if you're working in F&B, then other F&B will know what this F&B brand is doing.
That's true.
Other FMCG brands will know what this FMCG brand is doing. So what happens is that over time, the body of work also becomes huge. People know, and if certain client is doing well, then दूसरे client को पता है कि this client is doing well, इसका काम कौन कर रहा है. So that's how you also start getting more
Yeah,
organic
more
traction.
true.
So it has been over time. So there are no worse campaigns. There are campaigns that have not performed well, and we have learned a lot from it. And it's not just campaigns. Any kind of work that we do, there are learnings from it. कि चलो ये इस बार गड़बड़ किया था, ये next time याद करके इसको थोड़ा better तरीके से हम कर सकते हैं. And best campaign, मेरे को तो लगता है all the work that we are putting out,
It's the
we are
best.
very happy with what we do. Of course, some perform well, some don't perform well. तो ठीक है.
Digital में एक और advantage है that even after the campaign goes live, you can still make changes if it's not
Yeah,
going
not
well,
performing
right?
well, you can still do.
So you can still do modifications or change the strategy a little bit. So it's never over until it's over.
Yeah, and just to add to this, one very important thing is that अभी क्या है ना, हम campaigns को एक visual lens, एक video lens, एक like design lens से देखते हैं. Whereas what we spoke in the beginning, that digital marketing is not just about these things. There are a lot of things that go under it,
Exactly.
which is not visible आगे. मतलब वो आपको in form factor नहीं
People
दिखेगा.
would think ये बनाना इतना easy होगा,
हाँ,
but they would
but-
not see the मेहनत.
And
It
there are a lot of
took-
technical things, like if you're doing, let's say we're doing a tactical campaign, there is media planning, there's SEO, there is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, things that go with it. And people don't see what goes in the back end, what technically क्या हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है. वो सामने जो अच्छा दिख रहा है with beating music and all is what people see, but everything else people don't. So that is also marketing.
So as we know, Meraki is going to complete its 10 years and it's a huge milestone. I mean, first of all, congratulations to you guys. But like, how are you feeling? कि यार 10 साल हो गए, like होने वाले
10
हैं.
साल.
Exactly.
Like, does it feel
10
real? 10 साल.
10 साल of hustle.
उतना लग
But-
नहीं रहा. It's like 10 साल हो गए का उतना पता नहीं चल रहा. Like अभी भी लग रहा है कि just 4th or 5th year. Honestly, time has flown. Like just literally in the blink of an eye, suddenly you feel like yes. But just yesterday actually, so we were looking at some old pictures from year one, and that's when we realized, okay, so much has happened. It feels nice, of course. It feels little emotional, and at the end of the day, you feel a little proud of what you've built, right? It's something that people talk about in the city. We've gotten to know that, and then we go out and we're like, "Oh, Miraki, aapka hai," or we get calls and people want to work here, or clients want to work with us. So then we feel like, okay, we've achieved something. Awards, okay, but more than
That is
this, I think
very-
अगर लोग
all
अगर
this
लोग
gives
आके
us
बोलते then
validation when clients want to continue working with us. They keep giving us opportunities to work on. Team members come back, they've gone to
that's the
Bombay,
best feeling when
Bangalore,
they
and they've come
when
back.
they,
जैसे घूम
go
घाम के वापस आ गए
exactly
कि यही बेस्ट
हाँ,
थिंग है
तब
काम करना
लगता है कि हाँ,
कुछ तो किया
किया
है
है हमने.
कुछ तो अच्छा कर रहे हैं
हाँ.
So 10 साल is actually, मतलब ऐसा लगता है कल ही का बात है, but I feel that over the 10 years, personally, professionally, agency wise, both of us, our families, we've seen everything move from here till to some other point altogether. We've seen personally how both of us have had personal things that are happening around us. We've grown, we have navigated that, and we have not let it affect each other. We've kind of tried to be there for each other during times where kabhi kuch chal raha hai, kabhi kuch chal raha hai, and we've tried to come out of that. And 10 years I feel is long, but there are what
It's
we
very
always
long.
कि 10 साल और क्या करना है. हम हमेशा सोचते रहते हैं कि कल क्या करना है, कुछ नया कैसे करना है. Because at the end of the day, we are not a product business, we're a service business. We can be as good as someone else, and we have to keep adding things to our own offering. And we feel very honestly, personally, I think Sneha also, we are very proud of what we have built. Although we doubt that a lot of days, but I think what has happened is that we have consistently shown up whenever it's needed for whichever client. चाहे वो रात के 11 बजे, अभी थोड़े दिन पहले ही हम कुछ एक इशू हुआ था, and we've been up till 11, 12, 1 a.m. in the night trying to resolve it, and these are part and parcel of things. There have been days where we switched off at 6 p.m. also, and ठीक है, हो गया,
Yeah,
आज का
and
डे खत्म.
I think we've learned to, पहले हम अपने टीम मेंबर्स से भी बहुत देर तक काम करवाते थे. Then we took a conscious decision
अब Saturdays
to
भी
have
off है.
that.
yeah
तुम
That
सब
is not-
रिवील क्यों कर रहे
That has
हो?
not happened immediately. To be very honest, we were 6 days working, सिर्फ Sunday off होता था. Gradually we did alternate Saturdays. Then we did
Then
no,
Saturday
we actually
हट
did,
गया.
no, we did alternate Saturdays भी नहीं. 2 Saturdays work from home, 2 Saturdays work
work from office
Then we shifted to 2 Saturdays off, and then we shifted to
So we
alternate
also
Saturdays.
started giving that, prioritizing that balance, but at the same time people had to be responsible, and we saw a positive change. People were more responsible, they were working more efficiently. And even that issue that Ankit is talking about, which happened 2-3 weeks back, and like one whole department was up till the night, trying to get that sorted, and nobody had a second doubt कि हम लोग क्यों उठ रहे हैं.
exactly क्यों काम कर
Nobody
रहे
had
हैं
that
कोई complaint नहीं
frustration.
था,
हाँ,
exactly.
and that's when you feel like हाँ, आपने एक team build किया है, and people are passionate about their work, they are responsible, they want to get things done. And this much I think we can both see with proud that everybody that we have currently really wants to work
exactly
over here, and
This
they
is what,
are
like-
passionate about their
Yeah.
work. So I think that is something good. Having that in a city like Calcutta is not easy.
That's
You know
true.
that.
So, what are the 3 things where Meraki is better than other agency in terms of work culture, growth, and overall environment? Yeah.
I think you guys should answer that, not us.
Yeah, and to be very honest, I don't think we are better. मतलब
नहीं better तो हो.
Better तो है.
Yeah.
वो सबको लगता है.
हमें नहीं पता ना.
हमें भी नहीं पता
We have
and-
not gone and worked. in
हम लोग
that
approve कर रहे हैं,
So you
Yeah,
guys
it is
should
approved.
say.
हाँ,
बहुत better है.
I don't
बहुत
think
better है.
compare करते हैं. but ठीक है.
Yeah,
in terms
let's
of
not
growth बता दो
compare,
कि like I mean लोग कितना ज़्यादा सीख रहे हैं और
See, we don't know, right? Like
Okay.
how much people are learning.
निष्कर्ष बताएं
We are trying our best to make sure that we give that environment where people can learn. We have never stopped anybody. We push them, but at the end of the day, that person also has to have that inner thing. Ki, "Yeah, I want to grow and I want to learn more." So it really depends, and we can't comment. Yeah, we've not gone.
So
and worked
personally,
in other
what I think is when I started working here, मैंने पहले कभी किसी campaign में काम नहीं किया था. But when I joined here, I understood कि what a campaign actually is, उसके अंदर क्या करना होता है, क्या नहीं करना होता है, and I learned everything.
Yeah, बहुत ज़्यादा exposure मिलता है and best part कि team members are also very nice. तो ऐसा कभी लगा ही नहीं कि मतलब हाँ
टीम वालों को
डांट
ऐसा नहीं
पड़ी
लगता टीम वाले एक दूसरे पे चढ़े रहते हैं So I think any workplace including Meraki it can be a platform for you to leverage and do things and hone yourself and ultimately of course whatever you're doing agency also grows with that but Meraki and any other agency in fact Meraki के बारे में ही बात करते हैं आज Meraki is a platform and it's where you can come work grow do mistakes, learn, do good things, but that's about it. But आगे मतलब I don't think we we I think till date we have not compared ourselves to anyone. We are very
time
very
ही नहीं है खुद
we are
के
very
ऊपर
very
ध्यान
aloof.
दें.
We are very very aloof of what other
हाँ.
agencies are doing and what what they are doing या वो क्या कर रहे हैं. हम आज तक ना किसी दूसरे एजेंसी में what kind of clients do they have are they what kind of team members do they have, do we want to get some team members from there on. Very rare cases that has happened of course in cases where we wanted certain people to join and there are cases where we've approached people and asked them to join us but that's part and parcel of business because we feel that certain people might fit the bill here but comparison we don't draw. I think हमने जो
We
build
don't
किया
even
है
encourage
हाँ.
anyone.
हमने जो
our
build किया है
agency.
we are happy with it. Every place has its own pros and cons. I think gradually we are
We
growing.
want to keep making ourselves better. We keep pushing the team for that. Of course, people get irritated, frustrated with us. I'm sure they do. But जब वो भी grow करते हैं, I'm sure they like it as well. And there's no time. I mean, you guys, do you get time?
No,
There's
no,
work,
absolutely
work,
not.
work. There's no time to think about anybody else.
So what is that one advice you want to give people who want to join this marketing agency culture?
One advice that I'd like to give anyone who would like to join an agency is come with a lot of patience. Lot of patience.
हमारे
That's
कैमरामैन ने इधर लिटरली पेशेंस टैटू करा के
Yeah.
रखा है.
You literally,
We should zoom in on that when you
No.
edit this.
you literally.
I didn't know that.
So patience is not just from being in an agency, but just the way the industry is. You need to be really patient and at the same time, at certain levels, be accustomed to certain amount of pressure. आजकल पॉडकास्ट में हर जगह प्रेशर इज प्रिविलेज सो प्रेशर इज प्रिविलेज एंड patience pressure but at the same
Pressure
time
is toxic.
and I think last thing I'll add is that like Chetna had mentioned marketing is fun and you have to make it fun. If you want to make it boring it's on you. You
Yeah.
can make it as boring as you want but
But it is very fun.
if you want to make it interesting बहुत बार simple रहता है that people जा रहे हैं ये client पे काम करके मजा नहीं आएगा ये client ऐसा ये client वैसे कुछ होता नहीं है. Every client has their own business, they come with their own set of challenges and they want marketing help to solve those challenges. And if you can do that by way of understanding how marketing works, then great. And then patience, pressure सब चला जाता है and you just enjoy working. That's what
So
matters.
many people, ask कि मेरे resume में क्या क्या होना चाहिए so I get hired by a nice agency. मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, मुझे कौन सा course करना चाहिए. So what is your answer to that?
See, hiring me, if we say resume, honestly, anybody is just looking for say 30 seconds, right? We don't have time to sit through the entire resume. So of course your work ethics and the kind of responsibilities you've handled, if you've not done that, you don't have work experience, then definitely you should talk about any personal project that you've done or your skills. Your skills should come across very clearly, what you know, what you don't know, the kind of softwares you know, the kind of tools you know, what you can do. You can attach some sample work of yours, but this is just the first step. I think the major make it or break it is your interview. And we have so many people who just come unprepared for their interviews, right? Ask insightful questions. You don't even know कि हमारा brand क्या है, बस हमने सुना है किसी से. That's not the way it works. You have to tell us, do some research about us. We are all over. Like we have our website, we have our social media pages, we are talking about things. So do some research. And the difference between a person who gets hired is somebody who has cracked their interview. They've shown interest, they've asked good questions, and or written a great cover letter. You know, nowadays so we are getting those chat GPT cover letters जिसमें ब्रैकेट में लिखा है डियर कंपनी. मतलब यार कंपनी का नाम तो लिख लो, इतना lazy. So it's very obvious, right? Who wants to work, who
Exactly.
doesn't. The person who wants to work will message us everywhere. LinkedIn, email, personal. They will
Everywhere.
find people
Yes.
who are working for us, and you know,
Exactly.
passion पता चल जाता है. आपका हो सकता है qualification नहीं हो. You might not
But
have done
you
a
might have
fancy
passion.
course. So somebody might not have had the fanciest degree, but you can see their passion, and we would always choose that person over somebody who's more qualified.
So, what is one of the most funniest thing someone has mailed to you for hiring and जो आके भी उन्होंने बोला है about Meraki?
यार मेल का तो मुझे याद नहीं है, बट कोई आया था, उसे पता ही नहीं उसने किस पोजीशन के लिए
Oh
अप्लाई किया.
no!
That person has just come
So when
clueless
I
कि
asked,
कोई भी
like, when
कुछ
you
भी दे
asked-
दो मुझे, मैं कर लूंगा काम.
And I think what a lot of people don't understand, I think when we say account manager, तो लोगों को लगता है it's a finance related.
Exactly.
We get a lot of
CVs
finance
come.
applications. Marketing agency में हमें CA के
Oh
applications
my
आते हैं.
god.
तो लोग पढ़ते भी नहीं.
Okay, so as Gen Z has entered the corporate world, what do you think about Gen Zs? What do you think about us?
What do you think about us?
Yeah.
नहीं है. What do you think about Gen Z in general है?
मतलब हमें ही
think
बोलना
थोड़ा
चाह रही है,
सा-
but
Yeah, but
घुमा के.
घुमा के.
Okay.
थोड़ा misunderstood generation है.
क्यों?
I think we are also warming up to it, to be very honest. It's not something that is, I think Gen Z is not ready for the corporate world and corporate world is not ready for Gen Z. It's both. क्योंकि क्या है that over time things have been set in some way. चाहे वो corporate है, चाहे वो agency है, जो भी है, the office working culture is set in some pattern. And you know, हर थोड़े टाइम बाद एक जनरेशन आता है जो सब तोड़ने मरोड़ने की कोशिश करता है. Gen Z वही वाला जनरेशन है. तो हम सब अडेप्ट कर रहे हैं. Gen Z भी अडेप्ट कर रहे हैं और corporates भी अडेप्ट कर रहे हैं. And I think what will happen is over time it will of course mellow down and both of them will find a middle ground of working towards each other. I think
We hope.
my only thing with Gen Zs is that for me ownership is extremely important. The whole thing about कि हाँ हम ए टाइम के बाद काम नहीं करेंगे और बी टाइम के बाद अवेलेबल नहीं रहेंगे, पर्सनली फॉर मी डजंट वर्क. It is a job role. You have to do what is required to be there. Nobody is asking you to be up awake for 24 hours or work for 24 hours or 24/7, whatever. Just finish your work and do it to your best ability. Don't confuse it with work-life balance. मतलब life है तो work है तो life है.
Okay.
Simple.
तब तो फिर what's work life balance as a founder? I mean, ऐसा कुछ term exist भी करता है आप लोग के लिए?
है ही नहीं. Work
So do you
life
work
balance.
like the whole day?
No,
ऐसा
see,
लगता है कि
it
देखा है?
नहीं.
तो फिर
it comes with time, right?
Ah.
So year one, yes, we were always working. Like people around us were
That was
so
the hustle period.
irritated कि ये वेकेशन पे भी जा रहे हैं तो हम लोग लैपटॉप लेके जा रहे हैं, फ्लाइट में काम कर रहे हैं, वेकेशन पे काम कर रहे हैं. We were always on calls because we were also worried that we lose clients, right? We were
Yeah.
building something. Now we have reached a stage ki theek hai, we have built a team also. We have set up processes. A lot of things are in automation right now. So yes, we do take out time for ourselves and our personal life, but still, if you have to be there, you have to be there. Like when
true.
it's needed, it's needed. So I don't think we have that qualm कि ओ रात का मीटिंग हो गया तो हम नहीं करेंगे. है तो हम करेंगे. मतलब that is never a problem. But yes, consciously now we have made an effort and we prioritize that. Okay, at times one of us has to be there, right? So we try that हमारा clash नहीं करे, so that one person is always available for emergencies.
So what do you think? Like one thing that is different about Gen Zs?
I mean, they want to set their own rules.
Yeah.
अलग ही rules है उनका. So I'm trying to understand. I think my biggest challenge is the language. Some words I just don't get it. Like
What words?
ऐसे English. What is cap and
Cap,
sus and you know, like these funny
मेरे को पता भी नहीं है.
मतलब वो
मेरे को पता भी नहीं पता.
I think I've learned a lot of dating terms with Gen Z. I think somebody, not you guys, but somebody before you was teaching me what benching is and what bread crumbing is. So,
कहीं और ही चला गया
so
conversation.
this is what I
Yeah.
learned from Gen Zs. But having said that, I don't think personally in Meraki हमने उतना बुरा फेस किया है जो इंटरनेट में दिखाते हैं Gen Zs के बारे में. We have not
We are
had
nice Gen
such
Zs.
So like Gen Z और millennials के बीच में किनके साथ काम करना is much easier. Please.
controversial.
किसी के साथ नहीं.
ये तो किसी
दोनों
के
के
साथ
साथ ही है यार.
Pros and cons.
हाँ, pros and cons हैं. Ultimately, it depends on the place. If the place is difficult and you won't have things in place, नहीं काम करेगा. And चाहे millennial हो, चाहे Gen Z हो, चाहे boomer हो, चाहे beta हो, alpha, gamma, जो भी है. So it's all ultimately boils down to how you want the place to function and how people are adapting to
But
it.
we are more fun to work.
Exactly.
ये तो agree करना
ये सबको
पड़ेगा. I
लगता
mean,
है.
नहीं.
ये सबको लगता है. I also feel
नहीं.
I'm fun
I
to work
think
with,
the
but I'm
Gen
not.
Zs get a
So, it's
fresh vibe. You get
Yeah,
a
for sure.
energy, which of course we are very serious. Millennials are a little serious, but Gen Z is more chill. तो definitely तुम लोग stress कम लेते हो. So that is a good thing.
That was a cap.
What?
मतलब आपने that was a cap.
What is a cap?
Cap मतलब cap करना.
Gen Z.
क्या मतलब is like net कर लिया.
one thing you would never want Meraki to become. I mean, सपने में like कभी
A
नहीं.
place where people don't want to come and work.
Non-existent.
Okay.
Okay.
If Meraki disappears tomorrow, फिर आप लोग क्या करोगे? Like वापस चालू करोगे या फिर
सपने से उठ जाएंगे.
अगर मिराकी आज नहीं होता, what would you be rather doing?
yeah. And would you still be friends? अगर Meraki नहीं हो.
Yeah.
I think I can answer for Ankit.
मैं
He
तो
would-
बोल रही
he would
yoga.
probably be in the F&B space
Okay.
because that is one industry that he really likes. Yeah, I discovered another wellness space which I'm very passionate about, so I might be into that.
So, I think after working in an agency for 6-7 years and then working or trying to run an agency for 10 years, it is very difficult to choose कि क्या करोगे. And now if I am asked to work under someone, I think I'll have a problem personally.
Of course.
मतलब, not because I can't, it's just that you are in certain ways you are set about what you are wanting or where you want things to go, and up suddenly you try to mold your thinking around to वो नहीं हुआ. And I don't think Meraki will be non-existent. अब ऐसा होने नहीं देंगे. We will always try and fight and survive and try and ensure that whatever we are putting out, we are there, and we would be friends. Maybe
we
depends.
were before all this came, social
उसके पहले
media
भी
में
तो friends
messenger
थे.
में बात करना was
Facebook Messenger
friendship.
में बात करते थे.
तो वो तो we used
Because
to
पहले
talk to
WhatsApp
so
नहीं था.
many people on Facebook Messenger, right?
Facebook
So that
Messenger.
was our definition of friendship.
Even so, before WhatsApp came along, when I started my work journey, तब सिर्फ email पे काम करते थे हम. And to keep in touch, we had pretty much Facebook Messenger, जो मेरे desktop में खुला रखा था, and that's how I was in touch with
Instagram likes,
different people
posting.
and everything before the whole output and all of that jazz was there. But WhatsApp था ही नहीं उस time. WhatsApp was very rare and there were no
Yeah.
WhatsApp groups. There was just WhatsApp. And but
आप
वो भी
लोग
उतना
उस
popular
जमाने
नहीं
के
थे.
हो।
उस
Okay.
जमाने का।
उस जमाने नहीं 10-12 actually नहीं 15 साल पहले.
So I want you all to give one message to your team who will be watching this.
टाइम पे ऑफिस आ जाओ. बस
अभी कितने बज
एक
रहे
ही
हैं?
चीज है.
अभी कितने बजे हैं?
It's 11:40 और आधा से ज्यादा ऑफिस आया ही नहीं।
Exactly.
हाँ, time
हम
पे
कुछ
office आ
ज्यादा
जाओ.
ही lenient हो गए हैं. I think हमें serious बनना पड़ेगा. थोड़ा leave policy, corporate leave policy लाना पड़ेगा.
गलती हो गई ये पूछ के मुझसे. और कुछ
But यार advice टीम members को ना हम
कोई एक मैसेज
in person ही देते हैं, podcast के through क्या देंगे. But just enjoy what you are doing and you'll do well. That's the only thing. Just that stay one month.
शेरा बहुत corporate answer दिए एक.
Corporate क्या यार? This is what we've learned.
अरे
Can you make it fun?
अभी मौका है, आप बोल सकते हो। आई मीन ऐसे भी बोलते ही
आपका
हो, but,
फीलिंग्स एक्सप्रेस कर
yeah.
सकते हो अपने एम्प्लॉयज के लिए.
Guys थोड़ा सा ऑफिस में bitching कम कर.
ओ ओके, इसलिए आंसर का वेट था। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
And what is that one
Parent.
message to your younger selves 10 years ago?
एजेंसी मत खोलना.
तो फिर आप क्या खोलते?
अब तो हम इसमें है. So you cannot really do.
तो हम
don't have
10
an
साल
option.
पहले क्या करते?
पता नहीं यार. So very honestly, career किसी को भी नहीं पता वो लोग क्या करना चाहते हैं. सबको एक आइडिया रहता है. मतलब बचपन में सब बच्चे पायलट बनना चाहते हैं. सिंपल, सब देखते प्लेन उड़ रहा है, हमें पायलट बनना है.
मुझे भी बनना था।
हाँ exactly.
मैंने
तो
कोर्स
सभी
भी
को
किया
बनना
पायलट का, फिर
होता है. सभी
बन-
को बनना होता
My
है.
mom should watch this.
So सबको पायलट बनना होता है. As and when you evolve, your life takes you to different places. Your careers evolve depending on your family background, depending on what your interest is. So things change and maybe 10 years before, to be very honest, पता भी नहीं था एजेंसी होगा because what Sneha just said, we made a website, we made a PDF and we started asking clients कि काम कर लो या हमें काम दे.
यार उस टाइम वेबसाइट बनाना भी बड़ा बात था. अब तो AI से 5 मिनट में बन जाता है. बट एक वेबसाइट रेडी करके नाइस लुकिंग वेबसाइट, बिलीविंग इन व्हाट यू स्टैंड फॉर, तो इट वाज अ बिग डील.
Yeah.
hired someone and instantly regretted it कि यार इसको तो नहीं करना चाहिए था, क्या कर दिया।
मैं I have an answer for this.
सिंपल आंसर यस.
नहीं अरे यस तो है.
इतना डिप्लोमेटिक मत दो.
अरे हम डिप्लोमेटिक हो ही नहीं रहे. I'm being very honest about it. हमने किसी को हायर किया और हमने रिग्रेट किया, ये हमें इमीडिएटली नहीं पता चलता है. ये हमें
वो आता
1
है.
महीना 1.5 महीना 2 महीना बाद
नहीं.
पता चलता है.
एक दो दिन में.
But-
now we have reached a stage where we can understand within a few days if we have hired
अब
the
expert
correct
हो गए.
person or
But-
not.
फ्लिप साइड, जो यहाँ ज्वाइन करता है
हाँ.
उसको समझ में आ जाता है कि उसका यहाँ पे नहीं होने वाला है.
नहीं
थोड़े दिन
वाला है.
पहले ही आया था कोई, एक दिन में छोड़ के चला गया था.
That person did last half a day.
हाँ, वो आधे दिन में छोड़ के चला गया था.
He was God. Let's not get there.
Yeah.
लोग डर जाएंगे. ऐसा जगह नहीं है, guys.
हाँ.
Who's emotional and who's practical?
Emotional.
Who's the risk taker and who's the safe
safe
player?
player?
I don't know.
I think
आप
both
भी
of
बोल
us
सकते
take
हो.
risks.
Both of us take risks. हाँ, मतलब
We both take risks.
you have to take
Planner
calculated
और
risks.
last minute person?
अंकित इसका सही जवाब दे दो.
Planner,
मेरे को भी
I
पता है. बोल दो.
Last minute planner.
Okay,
Okay.
so we all know this. Who's the early bird and who's the night owl?
I think
Change हो गया.
वो ऐसा
हाँ मतलब with time it has changed.
Once
पहले
Ankit had a child, now he's become an early bird.
Calls or texts?
next.
Okay. Meetings or mails?
Meetings.
Meetings or mails?
Mails, WhatsApps,
Okay.
fast decisions or overthinking?
fast.
Fast.
Fast. Wow.
Do you like working or do you like chilling?
Chilling.
Working.
Oh.
Everyone
Matlab
likes
depends
chilling.
na. Depends
Everyone
on the
likes
situation.
chilling.
There can't be chilling without working.
That's true.
Okay.
Acha, who replies late on WhatsApp?
Oh no!
Who checks Instagram more?
Okay. Who gets more stressed? I think Ankit sir.
Really?
Yeah.
Situation.
Situation dependent.
Like अभी
सिचुएशन
जल्दी चालू
जब
करो
एक जन स्ट्रेस हो जाता है तो दूसरे को काम रहना पड़ता है. बोथ ऑफ अस कांट गेट स्ट्रेस टुगेदर.
Who forgets things more?
I think Ankit sir does not forget anything.
That's true. Who is more punctual?
Depends.
Ankit
मीटिंग्स
Sharma.
में
Best answer. Best answer.
Gen Z or millennials?
Both.
No, you have to choose
ये
one.
तो कर दिया ना इस पे
नहीं,
discussion.
नहीं, बस
अभी-
एक आंसर.
Fast, fast.
बीच वाले.
नहीं,
बीच
बीच वाले कोई है ही नहीं.
अरे जेन जो मिलेनियल के बीच में जो
नहीं.
अरे वो क्या जिलेन what was that term?
Zillennials.
Zillennials क्या होता है?
नहीं what was that
Zillennials होता
term?
है ना? Zillennials.
नहीं.
Zillennials is a
Zillennials.
term.
2000 वाले होते हैं.
Zillennials is a term, so that.
Okay, उनको
Who
एक का नाम
says-
controversy
Who
हो
says
जाएगी.
no to clients? Like no more to clients. ऐसा वाला. क्या था?
Depends on
Yeah.
whose client is it.
क्लाइंट को मना नहीं करते, टीम को मना करते हैं.
मतलब
I mean,
if you are
कौन
talking
client
about-
से जल्दी
हाँ.
irritate हो जाता है?
नहीं वो हम नहीं करते हैं, बट हम टीम मेंबर्स को बहुत मना करते हैं.
Trendy or timeless?
Timeless, any day.
Who is harder to convince?
हाँ.
Nice. I like it.
I thought that was you. Interesting.
It
Who
depends
gets
on
a-
the situation, but I think in general you are.
Who gets annoyed more faster?
I think I do.
Being a typical social media marketing agency, we have created a content out of our 10 years journey. I hope you liked it
So like, comment, share.
and engage.
Bye.
Bye.